Hey guys, welcome back to this section. And in this section we are going to start the character model in Maya part. And in this video I'm going to tell you about the project folder. I'll cover one by one. The first thing I'll cover what is a project folder, and then I'll cover why it's important. Then at the end I'll cover how to create it. Okay, so let's start from what is a project folder. So project folder, simply a folder. Let me show you. If you go to your My PC or your computer, and if you have installed Maya already, you can go to this documents category and link, and you can follow this Maya folder. Double click to open, and you can see a projects folder here. And if you go inside that, you'll get this default. This is the project folder. If you double click to open it, and you can see there are a lot of subfolders. Okay, these are called subfolders, and you can see assets, autosaves, cache. These are named like this, and you get scene folder, sound, source images folder. So basically a project folder looks like this by default. Okay, so this is Maya by default project. It creates automatically when you install Maya. So a project folder looks like this, and it's basically a folder to keep all your resources files. Let's say you are working on a project and you need reference images for that. You need a lot of videos maybe, or maybe any kind of resources which you are using for that project, and you want that to like organize inside a folder. It's basically that. It's just a folder, and Maya is creating all these subfolders for you inside that folder, so you don't have to create this manually. So this is a project folder looks like, and this is important to organize your things. So let's say you are like shifting from a computer to another, and now you need all those reference resources and files, everything. So you just need to take this folder with you. That's it. So now once you understand what a project folder looks like and why it's important to create, now let's see how we can create it inside Maya. Okay, so let's move into Maya. So here I'm inside Maya. So for creating a project folder, you need to go to file menu here and go to this project window here. Click here, and you'll get this project window, floating window. And now just give it a name here. Click here on new icon here. Now it's saying new project. So I'm gonna create a project for my character, male character something. Okay, it doesn't matter what you are giving. So male character project, I always like to keep this word at the end so that I know this folder is my project folder, because sometimes people like got confused which folder is their project folder. So I always keep, but it doesn't matter if you are not giving it. So now this is the location where it's gonna create. So I'm gonna create it inside my course folder here. So let's go to my course here. I'm gonna create it here. So select it. You don't have to select anything, just this folder. Inside this folder I'm here. Select this path. So now I'm inside that path. I'm going to create this folder, main folder, and these are the subfolders. You don't have to do anything here. Okay, just your project name and the location, then accept here. Now if you go to location, let's go to that location here, and you can see now I have a folder, and inside that folder I have got these folders. Okay, so now I'm gonna put my reference images there. So here is my reference images folder. I have collected some images there. So let's put this image, and let's put this image, maybe this image, and this image. Copy them. You can always put your reference images inside source images folder. Okay, and you can put your videos. If you are using anything like video references, you can put that inside movies folder. So it's kind of organizing your thing. Okay, so I'm gonna stop this video here. In the next video I'm gonna start importing the reference image, and we are going to start the model.